Hi, this video is to explain and describe the encoding process to the videos that need to get uploaded to the visit box from Vision Systems, the in-flight entertainment system. So we're using FFmpeg in here. It's a shareware software, and in here I have a bunch of video files that need to get encoded first before getting them into the USB key to upload to the visit box. So first thing to do, we just drop the file over here, the file that we want to encode, and the system just automatically sets the destination where the original file is. So that's a good thing, and we need to set all the parameters for all the steps. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to load the preset which contains the right parameters that we already had studied and tested. So this first tab of summary, as it says, is just a summary of all the parameters that we're choosing in the other tabs. For the video tab in here, we have to choose MPEG-2 encoder. For the video codec, video rate, bit rate goes for 4000 kilobits per second. We have to choose 99 minutes in mode 2, which is the multipass. The video size, the resolution, just it's this resolution. Aspect ratio and the frame rate, it goes like this. Then for the audio, we choose MP3, the audio bit rate, the sampling, the channels, and the mode, it's constant. So these ones are the settings for the audio codec. For filters, we don't have to make anything. In options, we have to make real sure that the GOPs, the closed GOPs and the GOP headers need to be active. We need to be sure also that we choose a generic MPEG-2 profile in here. And for the tools in the mux tab, we need to choose in here to mux it as an MPEG-2. It will automatically deactivate the authority, and it will activate the split MPEG. That's okay. And that will be all the settings that need to be specified, and then we'll just encode the file and wait for the file to be encoded. As you see, you can start to you see that the file, that the system just has started to create our MPEG file in here. So we'll just have to wait for the encoding process to finish. Okay, so 99%. We can see as the system finishes to write both the MP3 and the MPEG file. Now it's just muxing it into one file. So there it goes, and here we have our MPEG file done. Okay, so that's it.